Hello, and welcome to this video on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. After watching this video, you will learn about what is Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Command Line Interface, PowerShell on Windows operating system, and installing Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Command Line Interface using Windows PowerShell. On a Windows system, however, the OCLI CLI is also available for Oracle Linux and Mac OS operating systems. The Oracle Private Cloud Appliance is engineered to deliver a comprehensive suite of cloud infrastructure services within the secure environment of your on-premises network. It is a flexible general-purpose infrastructure as a service solution that supports the widest variety of workloads. One method to access Oracle Private Cloud Appliance is using the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Command Line Interface. From a Microsoft Windows computer, we'll use the Windows PowerShell, which is a command line shell. This video will demonstrate how to install Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Command Line Interface using Windows PowerShell. As shown, the PowerShell console is open for our installation. The installer enables autocomplete by installing and running a script. To allow this script to run, you must enable the remote signed execution policy. To configure the remote execution policy for PowerShell, run the set-execution policy command. When prompted, accept the default. Next, force PowerShell to use the TLS 1.2 for Windows 2012 and Windows 2016. Download the installer script with the invoke-web request command. And finally, run the installer script with prompts and respond when prompted. I will accept the default directories and optional packages offered to complete the installation. I'll answer yes with a capital Y to allow the path to be modified and finish a successful install. For more information, please check our additional information on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance documentation or in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Learning Library. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.